absolutely lit. In their fit bod, ang Sparkle Boys na sina Anthony Constantino, Vince Maristella, Anjay Anson at Matthew Uy sa kani-kanilang IG photos. Si Anthony, pa Los Angeles, California soon for some fun.
I'm going to be going to the beach, of course, getting more dark. Working out. I have a LA trip planned soon.
Beach trip din ang gustong gawin ni Matthew ngayong tag-init.
Plano ko magdagat since hindi pa ako nakapagdagat.
More papawis naman kay Vince na abala sa kanyang upcoming race. Kasama si Never Say Die star David Dicauco.
I'm gonna compete in Hong Kong this coming May 9. I'll be racing with David. I'm really excited na ma-beat namin yung record.
Gaya ni Vince, hindi rin sa beach ang summer plans ni Anjay, kundi hiking with friends.
Nagpa-plan kami ng mga friends ko na mag-hike. Mag-hike kami sa Pulag.
But wait, there's more. Dahil nasa summer list din ng apat ang upcoming Sparkle Run this May 30 sa Quirino Grandstand.
Present din ako sa Sparkle Run.
Make sure you guys are there. I'll see you guys there.